What's up guys, it's your girl Claudia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the highly requested tutorial on how I do my very own fake nails at home. It is literally the easiest thing to do. Practice makes perfect, and eventually you'll be having nails that look like you just walked out of the salon. I just think it is so much more worth it to pay around $60 to get all the things you're gonna need to do your nails as many times as you want, rather than paying $60 every single time you go to the nail salon to get your nails done. I know for me personally, I love to have a fresh set of nails every couple weeks. So paying that much money every time I would go to the nail salon was really not worth it anymore. So I decided to learn how to do them on my own, and let me tell you, it has changed my life. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so before I do anything to my nails, I always make sure to wash my hands as well as moisturize them really nicely so that our nails are ready to be put on. Before applying any nails, I always take this nail file, which as you can tell gets used quite a lot. And I'm gonna be taking this and I'm gonna be buffing all of my nails really gently, because this is going to help ensure that the nail glue really works and the nails stick on and stay on for a long time. So I'm doing this really gently using circular motions, and this I've noticed really has helped in getting my nails to last me way longer, which is why I love doing this. But, you know, of course, making sure I'm being nice and gentle. This is gonna make them really smooth as well. Okay, guys, my nails are all buffed out. Now, if you notice that you have any hangnails or dry skin or anything that's just sticking out that you know just doesn't belong there, then you can go ahead and take a hangnail clipper. I love hangnail clippers because they're so convenient, easy to use, and they just clip any hangnails right off. So if you notice anything like that, then just go ahead and take your clippers and just clip it right off. The last thing I'm going to be doing before applying my nails is I'm going to be taking a cuticle pusher and I'm going to be pushing back my cuticles, being really gentle, of course. Doing all of these little things, making sure that your nails look nice and pretty and clean, is all just going to ensure that you end up with the look that you just walked out of the salon, which is exactly what we're going for. It is finally time to put on my fake nails. I'm going to be using this Kiss glue. This is the best glue ever. This is the maximum speed nail glue. This is the stuff that keeps my nails nice and strong on there for the longest time. I absolutely love it. It dries really fast. It is the best glue, truly the best glue. Now, these are the nails that I use. I got these from Amazon. I will leave the link to them down below in case you want to buy them. They're all different sizes, so I just try them on, see which ones fit. And I just put together all the nails I'm going to be using. Here I have all 10 of the nails I'm going to be using in order so I can stay organized, be nice and neat, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my nails. When it comes to gluing on the nails, I feel like it's more about the amount of pressure you apply when you put them on rather than how much glue you use. I, of course, put on an amount of glue that I feel like is really going to stick on the nails, but I apply a lot of pressure when I apply the nails so that they really stay on for a long time. That's what's going to ensure that they really last. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue onto my index finger. And remember that this does dry really fast, so you have to apply the nail as quickly as possible. And I am applying a good amount of pressure onto the nail to really stick it on there well. There is my first nail, and girl, it's stuck on there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my nails. Remember, the key is to put a lot of pressure onto the nail. You want to make that thing stick. And the first hand is all done. My nails are all put on. Now, as you can see, the tips of the nails are not completely smooth and straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my file and I'm gonna file them down. This is gonna get them to be nice and smooth and straight at the tips. Now we're ready to paint our nails. Today I'm going to be painting my nails red. But before that, I'm going to be putting on a base coat. So I'm going to be taking the Sally Hansen base and top coat. So I'm going to be putting on a thin layer of this. Now, whenever I put on a layer of nail polish, whether that's base coat or actual nail polish, I always put my nails under a fan. That's gonna help you out so much. Your nails are gonna dry so much faster. It's just so much better than waiting for your nails to just air dry. If you apply one thick layer of nail polish, it's probably gonna take a really long time for your nails to dry. So 2 thin layers all the way. What I love about nail polish is that if you do mess up like this, it just washes off. So after you're done finishing, painting your nails and they're all dry, you can just wash it off with soap and everything will be okay. My first layer is done. I put them underneath the fan for a good 10 minutes to make sure they were really dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my second layer, which I'm also gonna keep under the fan for 10 to 15 minutes after I'm done to make sure they're really dry. I don't want to mess them up or anything. The last thing to do is put on my top coat and leave them under the fan for the last time. And that is how to do your very own fake nails at home. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!